The black community has survived over the years because the black community knew how to come together. When one of us is hurting, the black community instinct was to rally, to protect, to defend. That instinct comes from generations of struggle, when sometimes the only people we had as black people were each other. But unity is not the same thing as blind loyalty. Solidarity is powerful, but solidarity also requires wisdom. It requires us to ask questions. It requires us to understand what we are standing for and who we are standing for. Because real kinship isn't determined by skin color alone. Real kinship is revealed through actions, integrity, and commitment to the well-being of the community. So maybe the real lesson here is this: support your people, love your people, protect your people, but never forget the wisdom our elders tried to pass down when they said, all skin folk ain't kinfolk, and discernment is a form of protection.